how to download all files at once in Google Drive. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First of all, you need to open Google Drive app in mobile or computer. So I will simply open Google Drive app. Once you open it, you guys will simply click on top left corner 3 lines. Here you guys will see recent uploads, offline bin. So simply click on uploads. Once you click on uploads, here you will see all your files. So how you guys can download all at once. So for that, I will simply hold on file. Once you hold on file, you guys will see that file was selected. Now I will simply select all files like that. Once I select all files like that, often that you guys will see on top right corner 3 dots. So simply click on these 3 dots. Here you guys will see download option. So once you click on download option, your all files download will be started.